Introducing Vie Fit2, the next evolution of the world's softest custom-fit, true wireless earphones.
Built from soft silicone, Vie Fit2 conforms to your ear's unique shape, allowing for free and comfortable movement. With Vie Fit2, no matter where you are, you can be transported to your own world, a place you'll always fit in. And since Vie Fit2 custom fits your ears perfectly, you never have to worry about them falling out or loosening up. Vie Fit2 brings everything you love about true wireless earphones, but with enhanced technology to make your listening experience truly special. It uses brand new Qualcomm true wireless technology that allows for improved pairing capabilities. Who would want shaky or unbalanced connectivity? Vie Fit2 was built specifically to make pairing as easy as standing, delivering a stronger, faster, and more reliable connection. You can't keep this all to yourself though. Vie Fit2 is meant to be used by everyone. Vie Fit2 doesn't just improve on connectivity, it's ultra lightweight, so staying active and comfortable are one and the same. You don't want to get tangled up in his business, but it looks like he may need these. Vie Fit2's charging case has been revamped to be slimmer and sleeker, making it that much easier to travel with. But big things come in small packages. Vie Fit2 uses its power efficiently, giving you 6 hours of playback time. If you start to break a sweat, don't worry. It's IPX5 waterproof. Go wild. And when you combine all of this with its smaller, more portable, and more powerful case, you'll get 33 total hours of battery life. So you can keep active all day long. And when you have to make a call, Vie Fit2 offers crystal clear audio, combined with active noise cancellation.
Hey, I'm gonna need those back.
In the past, Vie Fit ran a successful crowdfunding campaign to bring us the world's softest, custom-fitting, true wireless earphones. The people loved it. So they're back again, because the world is ready for the next generation.
Back us now, and you'll be the first to receive the next evolution of true wireless earbuds. This is your world, where you belong, where you fit in.